Existence precedes essence. Hell is other people. Man is condemned to be free. We are our choices. Freedom is what we do with what is done to us. Everything has been figured out except how to live. Life begins on the other side of despair. The only way to deal with life's absurdity is to rebel against it. In the end, we are all alone and no one can fully understand us. We are responsible for everything we do. I am my choices. To do is to be. Man is a useless passion. Existentialism is not a philosophy but a label for several widely different revolts. Man is the sum of his actions, of what he has done, of what he can do, nothing else. We are condemned to be free because once thrown into the world, we are responsible for everything we do. We are never trapped unless we choose to be. To be free is not to have the power to do anything you like, but to have the power to do anything you ought. I exist, that is all, and I find it nauseating. There is no love apart from the deeds of love. One always dies too soon or too late. I can always make a choice, I can always throw myself into the breach. Every word has consequences, every silence too. Man is a mystery. It needs to be unraveled. And if you spend your whole life unraveling it, don't say that you've wasted time. I am studying that mystery because I want to be a human being. To believe is to know you believe, and to know you believe is not to believe. What is important is not what others make of me, but what I myself make of what others make of me. To read a poem in January is as lovely as to go for a walk in June. If you're lonely when you're alone, you're in bad company. I may not have been sure about what really did interest me, but I was absolutely sure about what didn't. The past is not a natural category of thought. It is an artificial construct, which each generation and each epoch creates anew.